This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You need admin rights to read full logs, so sign in now. Open the Start menu, type Event Viewer and hit Enter to launch the console. Once open, glance at the left pane, Custom Views, Windows Logs, and Applications and Services Logs. You're starting with the essentials so you don't get lost. Notice the three main Windows logs: Application, Security, and System. Make sure to pause and expand each node briefly so you see the available channels before moving to Filtering and Review. You'll narrow the noise by filtering logs. Select System or Application, then choose Filter Current Log and pick Error and Warning to target problems quickly. Once done, set a time range, last hour, today, or custom, so you only see relevant entries. Click any event to view the General and Details tabs. The General tab explains what happened. Details shows raw data and XML. Make sure to note the event ID and source. These identify the issue and guide your next troubleshooting steps. You're wrapping up by saving and analyzing results. Save a filtered view as a evtext to preserve context and to share with colleagues. Next, use the event ID and source to research Microsoft documentation or knowledge base articles that explain root causes and remediation. If you need deeper analysis, enable task creation from an event to trigger scripts or alerts. And if events seem missing, check that the Windows Event Log service is running and confirm group.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.